Best deals. 1. Hanger. Made of premium PP material, sturdy and durable, exquisite fine designed necktie organizer hanger. Hanger design allow you can check and find your wanted ties at ease. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Bath mat. The fast water absorption capacity of the 3D diatomaceous mud bath mat makes it a great choice for any room in your home. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Lint remover. Made of advanced TPE material with strong macromolecular adhesion, this lint remover can easily remove lint, dust, pet hair and snack crumbs. It is made of high-quality material, skin and fabric friendly. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Clothes hanger. Multiple shirts, pants, ties can be hung at the same time on this hanger. Space saving, cupboard organizer, perfect size and good quality. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Plastic bag holder. It effortlessly integrates into your pantry organizers and storage setup, ensuring your dustbin for bathroom is always tidy. Ideal for carry bags. Plastic, this wall hanging organizer showcases elegance in function. Perfect dustbin cover to hold garbage bag. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Wall rack. Enhance your kitchen organization with our versatile vegetable rack for kitchen, designed to keep your produce fresh and accessible. This multi-purpose onion stand for kitchen doubles as a fruit stand for kitchen, ensuring optimal storage with ease. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Faucet rotatable pipe. 4 layers of filter element and equipped with a double anti-drip gasket to effectively remove impurities in the water. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Scrub brush. Suitable for bathtubs, household, tile walls, countertops, shoes and laundry, living room, kitchen, bathroom. The bristles provide safe, gentle cleaning. The body is made of highly durable material which, soft brush boasts extra tough fibers for easy scrubbing of large areas. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Collapsible tub bucket. Design allows the bowl washing basin to stack neatly, saving precious space in your home or while camping. Organize effortlessly and enjoy the convenience of having a portable sink. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Foam bath mat. Feature a non-slip mesh back. Non-slip resistant backing can prevent your family from slipping and falling after the shower on a wet surface. PVC rubber backing is waterproof, perfect use on hardwood floor or floor ties. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Stool. A simple wipe down with a clean cloth is all that is needed to keep it looking pristine. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Foldable cloth dryer stand. Built from high-grade, 202 stainless steel and precision-engineered HDPE components to ensure maximum corrosion resistance. Designed for use in all climates and weather conditions, easy to use and foldable, lightweight and easy to open and close for use, can be used both indoors and outdoors. Accordion design folds flat for easy storage on your small area. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Screw hooks. No nails or drilling needed. Simply peel and stick and they're ready to use again after washing. Just wait 12 hours before hanging anything to ensure secure hold. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Garment steamer. Ready to use in as little as 30 seconds. Light indicates when the steamer is ready to be used. Ensure the product is turned on. Wait approximately 30 seconds for it to heat up. You'll know it's ready when the orange indicator light stops blinking. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Foldable hangers. Made of durable stainless steel and ABS plastic, sturdy while lightweight. They are strong enough even if your pants are oversized or heavy duty. The edge of jeans hanger is smooth, which protects your clothes from scratching. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Magnet curtain clip. Tea bags are made of polyester, stronger magnet which will not drop off easily and waterproof features its longevity. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Soap dispenser. Crafted from poly resin, a unique material known for its durability and sturdiness, This bathroom hand wash set is built to last and resists everyday wear and tear. This hand wash holder for bathroom is less likely to damage or shatter compared to glass or ceramic dispensers and more durable and stable compared to plastic dispensers. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Soap dish holder. Made up of stainless steel with multi-layers of nickel chrome plated. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Callus remover. This compact and user-friendly callus remover delivers professional results at home. Enjoy baby soft heels whenever you want, and skip the expensive salon. This rechargeable device is compact, with cordless convenience. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Toilet brush. The soft ergonomic toilet brush head will not damage the surface of the glass, can be bent easily and clean all areas, even under the rim. The brush head will not easily leave stains, and will not entangle hair and other dirt, easy to remove dead spot stains. The cleaner's round brush grip, comfortable and labor-saving, equipped with a drip-proof cover to prevent water from falling on the floor. Product link is given in the 20th link. 21. Dustbin. This dustbin with lid takes care of it. One press on the pedal, hands-free, hassle-free. Your home stays clean, while you never touch the trash. Versatile dustbins fit perfectly in any room, from kitchen to office. Product link is given in the 21st link. 22. Tissue box. The tissue box cover is made of high-quality eco-friendly plastic, no strange odor, lightweight and exquisite, its colorful eye-catching design. Product link is given in the 22nd link. 23. Broom holder. The broom holder wall-mounted is made of premium stainless steel, which is more durable and sturdy than plastic ones. Holder is rust and water resistant, works great both in indoors and outdoors. Product link is given in the 23rd link. 24. Motion sensor night yellow light. Enjoy hands-free convenience with the automatic light sensor. The light turns on when motion is detected and switches off when not in use, helping to conserve energy and providing reliable lighting only when you need it. Product link is given in the 24th link. 25. Shower mat. Features powerful suction cups to firmly grip smooth surfaces, reducing the risk of slips and falls in the shower or bathtub. Textured surface provides a gentle foot massage while helping exfoliate dead skin for a spa-like experience. Product link is given in the 25th link. 26. Bath towel. Made with ultra nanofiber material that soaks up twice its weight in water and dries in no time, preventing musty odors. Compact and easy to pack in the silicone case, ideal for backpack trip, wet day, beach day without taking up space. Enjoy a velvety, ultra-soft touch that feels gentle on the skin, perfect for post-swim or shower comfort. Product link is given in the 26th link.